Hi everyone, welcome to the third Wednesday of the month, Battle of the Stitches. This is a collab that I am doing with Teresa from Critters Crochet, and joining us this month is Jana K from Leave It 2 Stitches. And we are working through a book called 200 Crochet Stitches. We pick a stitch, we come up with our own unique design using that stitch, and then you guys get to vote on which creation you liked the best. And there's no like prizes for us, the creators. It's just more like bragging rights, you know, if you get the most votes. But if you do leave a comment in the voting poll, then we'll put it, all of you who left the comment, into a voting or into a pool for a giveaway prize. You get to pick whichever project of the three of ours that you like the best, and we'll send it to you. So make sure that you comment, because just voting is, we want you to vote, but we don't see the people who vote. We only see the numbers. The only way we'll know who voted is if you leave a comment under the voting poll. So this month we're doing the parquet stitch. And I gave a sneak peek last week of what I was making with it. And so I get to reveal it this week, and I'm really excited. I love this. I made this with a yarn called Cotton Bliss from Knit Pal, and it is the squishiest, most, oh my gosh, most amazing yarn ever. I highly recommend it. But I made a Christmas pouch, and it can be used to put gifts in, to put toys in, to put whatever you want in it. I thought that it turned out really cute. I just made an I-cord drawstring for it. Usually, most of the time, I like to use paracords with it, but I just thought for this one, since it was just kind of be lightweight use, I would use an I-cord with it, which you could tie shut, or you could just open up like this. So that was my project. I'm curious to see what everybody else made, and curious to see which project you guys liked the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.